I will now give a live demonstration of various tasks that we have earlier discussed. The first task is installing QGIS software, launching it and starting a new project. So, I had asked you to go to this website. Okay, so if you go to this website, it will appear like this. Okay, and either you can click the download button here in the menu, or you can click the download button here. It is available for Windows operating system, Linux operating system, as well as for Mac also. So, if you are can make donation, it is a great team to donate to, but otherwise you skip it and go to download. And here it automatically detects what platform you are logged in from. For example, I am logged in from a Mac, so it is suggesting download for your platform Mac operating system, and it is recommending long term release 3.34. Otherwise, if you are from Windows, it will automatically go to Windows, the same version 3.34 long term release LTR. Do not go for the latest version, please go for long term release only any time. For any software, it is always desirable to go to use the LTR, long term release, long term version. So, if you click this, it will download a MSI file, which is what I have given here, the direct link. If you are Microsoft Windows computers, you can directly go here. For Mac or Linux, you go here. Okay, and then once you click that MSI, that is almost 2.2 GB, it takes time to download. It will automatically install, ready to launch. Okay. Once then you go to the next screen, then what you do is you launch QGIS, which I have done already. So, this is how it appear when you launch. It says untitled project QGIS, because I have not yet saved a project here, and it will have all these kind of screens which you do not need to bother about. The next first step I asked you to do is project new, save a project, save as, new folder, save as. I will do that. So, you go to project, new project, some warning it is giving, notice, you close that. So, this is, you have menu here, then you have, these are called toolbar buttons, then you have, this is the main area map. Currently I have no map. Then you have a layers window which lists all the layers that are there in your map. Since I have no map to show, there are no layers either. So, 4 areas: menu items, menu, toolbar buttons which are like shortcuts to those menu items, map area, layers window. These are the 4 pieces. So, now what I do is I go to project. I have just created a project, I have not yet saved it. So, click save as, and you can go to any directory you want. So, I prefer to save it in desktop, create a subfolder in desktop. So, I click new folder and I will say test 2. I already have one test folder. So, I will create test 2 folder. Okay. In this test 2 folder, I want to create a project called test 2. That is the name of my project. Within the test 2 folder, another test 2. You can give any name you like. It will immediately create a project file called QGZ. Okay, I have saved it. So, if I go to my Explorer, I go to my desktop, there is a folder test 2, you see there is a file test2.qgz, QGIS project file is called QGZ, it is opened here. Actually, it is a XML file, you can even open and read that file if you are interested in. Okay. So, it is not in a format you can read, that is fine. So, we go back. So, we have done all these instructions, we have created a project, blank one.